I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Square to Wise, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and efficient. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Start by logging into your Square account on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you have access to the account where your funds are stored. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once logged in, go to the balance section of your Square account. This is where you can see the funds available for transfer. Step 3. Initiate a transfer. Select the option to transfer funds. You may need to click on Transfer to Bank or a similar button. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Step 4. Link your Wise account. If you haven't already linked your Wise account, you'll need to do that now. Enter your Wise account details, including your email and bank information. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Keep an eye on both your Square and Wise accounts for updates. Sometimes transfers can take a bit longer than expected, especially if there are verification steps involved. Just be patient and check both accounts for updates. I hope this helps you get your funds transferred smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.